This video is to help you learn how to set up musictheory.net. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to musictheory.net. So here I am at musictheory.net. You're going to select exercises. After you select exercises, for the first assignment, you're going to hit note identification. You will go over to this little cog right here, this little wheel, and this is where you will put in the settings that I will give you for each assignment. We're just going to leave this alone for right now because these introductory assignments we're not doing a whole lot. Then you will do the exercise. So that's a C, that's a B flat. Watch me look for the B flat. And this is a G flat. Notice right here you've got a score. As soon as you've got 13 in a row, 13 is the lucky number, you are done. And then what you are going to do is go over here to the three dots. Once you hit the three dots, show progress report. Take a screenshot of that, take a picture with your phone, whatever's easier. I'll take a screenshot. In case you don't remember, a screenshot is Shift-Command-4 on a Mac. You drag, and we've got it. And that is our screenshot. And this is how we set up musictheory.net.